Poppy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing a new nail lamp that I got in from MelodySusie. So special shout out to MelodySusie for sending this over for review, but it is a cordless and rechargeable nail lamp. Super excited about this. I think this is one of their newer nail lamps they just released. And so this here is the box that it comes in. It's the P-PlusS30GT nail dryer is what they call it. But I'll zoom out here so you guys can get a full look of the box here. But this is what the box looks like. On the side here, it gives you the specs of it. That's the model. It is 48 watts. On the back here, more information about the company. Barcode here, and it just says MelodySusie on the front. So yeah, y'all, let's pop this open together. Okay? See what she is looking like. Very nice. As always, it does come with instructions. So this is the instruction manual. It tells you how to use it. Definitely, whenever you guys have electronics in regards to nail supplies, definitely go through and read them to make sure that you're properly caring for your items. This here is the nail lamp itself. I'm going to pull this off to the side. See what all comes in here. Looks like it also comes with a warranty, so that is nice. Make sure you guys go in and register that. And that's it. That's in the box. Let's take a closer look at the lamp. So this here is the lamp itself. I'm gonna pull it out. Ooh, really futuristic looking. So I did choose silver. I just thought that silver would go with my nail room a little bit better. Oh, it's heavy too. Okay, it got some weight to it, so it seems like a very substantial lamp here. It also has the charger for it. So that's the charger, and it goes on the back here. So let's just do a 360 of the lamp itself. Like I said, I got it in silver. They also have it in the color pink. This here is the back. It says, please use the original charger to charge the device. So make sure you don't use any of the chargers when you're trying to charge this. And this here is the lights that's in here. It comes with 30 lights total, 30 LED lights. Like I said, this definitely feels substantial, so I think you can feel the battery in here. And then up top here is a simple design. It has the power button, 99 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and then a little LED screen. I'm going to go ahead and just peel this all off. Okay. I wonder, is it any charge to it? Okay, it looks like it is already charged. I'm not sure if you all can see the number here, but it's showing 30 seconds. And it's fully charged right out the bat, which is nice. So we got 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 99, and like I said, the power button. So again, this is not plugged in at all, and it does look like it's cordless. So that is awesome. I love a good, cordless rechargeable lamp here, okay? So you see it's motion censored. When you put your nail in, it turns on, and when you take it out, it comes out. The sensors are right here on the side, so as long as you hit those, the lamp should come on like so. And then also when you press the button on the back, it turns it on. So that's the 30-second button here. Click it again. Here's the 60-second button. Click it again. Here's the 99-second button. I'm trying to see. This is 60 seconds. And this is 99 seconds. I wonder if the lights are a little bit lighter. They look about the same, so that's good. Normally with 99 seconds, it's normally like less wattage, and that's for like the flash cure. Man, I love the feel of this. It's very nice and smooth. It's slick. It has these little grooves right here. And then it also comes with a metal plate. Has the metal plate which you can put your fingers on. Obviously, you'll want to peel off the blue plastic here. Let's see. If you peel off the blue plastic, it'll reveal the metal plate at the bottom, like so. So it's mirrored, so when you have it underneath here, it reflects, and you get a really good full cure. Okay, I am going to leave my plastic on for now until just so that if it gets dirty, I can like peel it off. But yeah, y'all, this is how it looks. it feels pretty powerful too. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. I mean, I like this lamp a lot. I might end up having this out on my nail desk. It's actually smaller than I was expecting it to be. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. It's not too much larger than the lamp that I currently have on my desk. I mean, it takes up just a little bit more space towards the back, but that's because it needs the battery for charging. Because I like the idea that I don't have to have it plugged in, so it's possible I might end up having this out on the nail desk. I'm not mad at this, y'all. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick little gel mani on this hand over here. I just want to show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna go in with a quick peel off. I'm gonna go in with my Gayoi peel off base, and I'm gonna apply that to all the nails. I got that applied to all the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and cure. And I'm gonna put it on 60 seconds. Okay, so that's what it looks like after the peel off has been cured. Just got this really cute color from Madam Glam. It's called Burning Love. I'm just going to apply that to all the nails and give it another cure. I just think it's really pretty. It's called Burning Love. Super cute. Put it in and go ahead and cure for 60. That's a really pretty color, my goodness. So cute. It's pretty opaque too. One coat coverage is all you really need. Next I'm gonna go in with a top coat here. I'm just gonna do one layer. Again, I'm just trying to showcase how it dries the nails, but as you all can see, it dried the nail beautifully. So I'm just gonna go in with a top coat now. And apply that to all the nails. Okay, so I'm gonna cure that for 60. I like this lamp a lot. Wow. So yeah, y'all, the nails are all cured up. And I think that this nail lamp did a great job of curing this cute little quick little gel mani. So yeah, I'm here for it. Definitely a big fan of this lamp. Like, as you all can see, it wasn't plugged in at all. So yeah, y'all, definitely a big fan of this lamp. I think it's really nice. It's really smooth. It worked well with curing a quick gel mani. I'm sure will work good with curing builder gels and rubber based gels and all that. Again, it's cordless. It's rechargeable. I love the fact that I don't have to have it plugged in. Oops. Oh, did I turn it on? Yeah, it's cordless, it's rechargeable. I love the fact that I don't have to have it plugged in order for it to work. Highly recommend this this lamp. Actually, this is probably going to replace my lamp that I have out on my desk because I love the fact that it's cordless and has a small footprint, but also still cures beautifully. So yeah, I do. So yeah, I do have a discount code with MelodySusie. I'm gonna leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below in case you guys want to check out their website and save some coin while you're checking it out. But yeah, this is a really nice nail lamp. I would definitely recommend this one. Yeah, and I think it's available on Amazon as well, so I'll leave both of them linked down in the description box below. And yeah, another shout out to MelodySusie for sending this over for review. I just love the fact that MelodySusie is always really innovative and forward thinking and always trying to think of new ways to come out with new products that fit not only professional nail techs but also just the everyday nail DIY enthusiast. But yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If y'all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.